Suba chóreis, mez, chem, pisam dumam.
Does the exposition have still on from the EU session? And US is open, right? Dow Jones looks interesting, right? Looks interesting for the longs, and Nasdaq interesting for the shorts. Doesn't mean they cannot do the opposite, right? They could just wick it and do the same on Nasdaq, wick it and go up, wick it and go down, right? But Dow Jones looks pretty good. I'm gonna try and bind Dow Jones over here. Let's see if they can do it. Let's see if they can make it. Daily open would be what I would like to exit. Hmm. I'll have that stop loss to break even now. And let's see. That's kind of my target over here. Let me put it at break even. Yeah, probably I should take profit, right? But let's see if they can run. That's a risk-free position. Our target is obviously hit. We'll see. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out. We'll see. Dow Jones is hitting interesting zones, right? Probably we should have given them a little bit more room to breathe, but I'm gonna stick to this position and let's see. Yeah, so Nasdaq is going down. Solid move by Nasdaq. We could try to add to this position, right? It is tempting. It is tempting to buy Dow Jones again over here. It is tempting. I'm not gonna lie. Well, let's see if they're gonna rip it to the downside, right? Let's see if they're gonna rip it to the downside. Because obviously 5 minute is not looking that good. 15 minute, yeah, we're stopped out. I mean, Nasdaq longs look interesting, right? Let's test this. Let's test that theory with Nasdaq longs. I'm going into the long over here. We'll have a tight stop loss around this low. And I'm okay taking this loss. Yeah, they baited me out. Let's have that stop loss in place. So let's put that stop loss in the Nasdaq. What a bait. Maybe I should have given them a little bit more room. Now Dow Jones looks interesting. I want to buy Dow Jones, but let's just wait for the setup. Let's not rush into the positions. We already took a loss on a Nasdaq. It is pretty weak. It looks pretty weak. Dow Jones is tempting to go long, right? I will go long on Dow Jones if we get a decent close. Let's test the theory. Okay, I'm buying. Okay, that was a little bit too late, but I'm in Dow Jones longs over here. Let's have that stop loss in place. So look at that Dow Jones rallying. We could have that stop loss at break even actually. Already. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Ooh, fucking beautiful. But I need them to sustain it. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Lovely. Just keep on doing that. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of it. Not sure if I'm a fan of this price action in the Dow Jones. If this is a scalp, we should have taken the profit, right, at this height, right? Well, I think we're gonna stay in this position and let's see what's gonna happen. Dow Jones has a decent amount of zones to recover, like this gap, for example. So let's see if they're gonna do it today, right? Maybe not. Maybe not today. But I wanna stay in this position a little bit longer, right? Um, just ride the momentum, but it looks like it stopped, right? So that's not such a good news, right? We'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. Let's see. Let's see what the Dow Jones is gonna do. Still 11 minutes until the strategy is presented, right? So around 10 more minutes, a little bit longer. I just got a funny message after the live stream. I'm gonna write it back, but come on, Dow Jones. Like why cannot move higher, right? Why cannot keep on moving? Would love to see it, right? Would love to see it keep on moving. So our Dow Jones position is still on. Of course, I would like to make more a decent move. Are we gonna see it? Don't know. Nobody knows, but we can hope for it, right? Our DAX position is, as you can see, not performing. We have a stop loss in place on that one, of course. So Nasdaq has presented an opportunity to go long right here. Am I gonna take it? Don't want to. Although it looks okay. Like Nasdaq for longs now looks a lot better. Shit, we missed it. Alright. Whatever. We add in Dow Jones longs. Let's see if this Dow Jones can keep up. I will be ready to add to this position after the close, right? Everything looks okay as of right now. So we are getting that move from Dow Jones. Same with the Nasdaq. Sorry. Shit. Sorry. So we're getting that move from Nasdaq also, right? Dow Jones is giving us something. It is giving us something. I would say some decent amount, right? But knowing that we are in the DAX shorts, which are not paying right now, as you can see. Oh, shit. As you can see, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. We'll see what's gonna happen. We have 2 more minutes until our strategy is presented, and I think I will be ready to add to my DAX, to my Dow. DAX, I'll leave it alone, but will be willing to add to my Dow Jones longs because they are playing out as of right now. And Nasdaq long over here seems like an option to me, right? Let's see. We're not in such a bad position, right? We have room to make something happen here. But I will decrease my risk size on add-on, right? And if it presents a short opportunity to go short over here, I will close it, right? But I think it will trigger longs, so stand by for that. Stand by for longs if we do get that opportunity. Stand by in a Dow. I will be ready to add around 79, right? Around 79. So around here. Stand by, stand by. Okay, stand by around 79. So, right. Okay, we are at 79 right now. We missed it a little bit, didn't we? Let me do it 15. Let me do it 15 on buying Dow Jones over here. I just bought the Dow Jones. Did it with 15 contracts. We added to our Dow Jones longs, and I'm looking for a stop loss right now. Right here is the stop loss for this add-on, right? And let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. I will be looking to add above these highs, right? If we get there. Let's see if they're gonna give us a decent move, first of all. But I would be ready to add above these highs. Come on, Dow Jones. Nasdaq Nasdaq looks interesting also, right? For the longs coming in. Stand by on the Nasdaq for a long position. So stand by on the Nasdaq. I'll be trading it with half of a position size. So we'll have a long order over here and a short order over here. Maybe I should be entering in them manually and delete the orders. I mean, it would make more sense. If we miss it, we miss it. But I don't think we're gonna miss it, right? So I'm keeping a close eye on the Nasdaq. Same with the Dow Jones. Think I'm gonna add to my Dow Jones position over here. So stand by. If they get above this high, I'm adding. Nasdaq is calling for a long signal too. Stand by the Nasdaq. Buying the Nasdaq over here. Just bought the Nasdaq. And now the stop loss question, right? I'll have S607. That's gonna be my stop loss on a Nasdaq. Let's hope it's not a fake out. Which it could be, right? It could be a fake out. Fake breakout. It looks like it. But let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe, just maybe, we will see a decent move on Nasdaq too. Let's hope for it. We decreased our position size, right? So let's see. Our Dow Jones is trying to perform not as well as I would have liked, but they are performing as of right now. Not good, right? Not good at all. Nasdaq just did this fake out. Maybe we should have a little bit bigger stop loss on this one, right? Because of the fact that we are with a smaller position size. So let me have it at 88. So basically 100 point stop loss, right? Basically, yeah. Let's see if some buyers are gonna step in right now in a Dow Jones. Let's see if we are gonna see some buyers stepping in right now. Doesn't look like it, does it? Come on. Are we gonna see some buyers in a Dow Jones? I'll move that stop loss on the first position to the same stop loss as on the add-on. Nasdaq not performing. This is turning into a bloodbath. I thought about doing the opposite on the Nasdaq, right? I had that idea. FTSE looks interesting. I'm gonna buy FTSE over here. I just bought the FTSE. I've just bought the FTSE, guys. FTSE UK 100. It looks interesting, right? And the stop loss should be around. I think they can move. I think they can move. Let's see. We'll see about that. So these are the positions I'm running. Right. FTSE longs, DAX shorts, US, and basically NASDAQ longs, Dow Jones longs. This was a pretty good position, right? It was a pretty decent position that we had on this Dow Jones. It still can be good, right? It still can perform pretty well. But what I would love to see is seeing this NASDAQ move to the upside, which doesn't look like is going to happen, does it? Hmm. I think I want to just sit it out, end the session. I have all the stop losses in and just see how it's gonna play out, right? That's what I want to do right now. Just watch it playing out. I'll have an order on the FTSE to buy it more at 22. So at 22, I'll add to this position. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get stopped out. If I were to go short, I will take the same size, right? Come on. Come on. Come on, Dow Jones. Come on now. That's right. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Come on. You never fucking know what's gonna happen, right? You never fucking know what's gonna happen. So FTSE is going higher, right? I will add to my FTSE position right here. I'm filled on the FTSE position, so we are doubling up on the size, right? And the stop loss should be 8214 on the add-on. Maybe lower. Stand by on the Dow Jones. I'm looking at Dow Jones. Looks interesting, right? I want to add to it. I'm buying Dow Jones over here. Just bought the Dow Jones. Come on now. Give me some. Thinking about stop loss. So 46, 42,046 I think is a good stop loss on a Dow Jones. On a Dow Jones position. I would like to see them pushing, right? That's the obvious one. Come on. Come on, Dow Jones. Now we have to be careful. Come on. Nasdaq position improved, right? A little bit. I still want to see this Dow Jones. Still want to see it pushing. Still would like to see it push. Come on. That's at the highs. It would make a lot of sense for them to have a pullback down, right? It would make a lot of sense. But we're hoping for this continuation to keep on going. Chances of it happening are low, right? I'm not gonna lie. Chances of it just keeping on pushing are low. They have to have a retrace, and yeah, we'll see. I guess not on this push that we're gonna see. Let me have the stop loss around here on the add-on, right? So FTSE is moving up. That's good, as we can see. FTSE is trying to push Come on. Can the Dow Jones break the highs? Can the Dow Jones do it? I'm feeling the weakness. I'm feeling the weakness, right? Yeah. Let's hope we're gonna have a second, or I should say a fourth attempt that is high. But they are just failing it. They are just failing. Come on. Nah, they are weak. I think they're done with this move to the upside. I think they are done. And so are we. Gave them a chance. I think I'm gonna be taking profit from the FTSE. Right, I'm taking profit from the FTSE here. Oh, I just closed the Nasdaq too. So close the, or I was stopped out. Close the FTSE, right? Stopped out of Nasdaq. And all the hopes are on this Dow Jones. Can the Dow Jones make a move? Nasdaq would call for a short over here, which I'm gonna take. Which I'm most likely going to take. We made some money on the FTSE, right? So that's good news. Of course, that was a shit exit. That was a little bit of mishmash of good and bad trades. I'm a little bit pissed that I took FTSE over here, not here. But we made money on it. Let's see if Dow Jones can make a move finally. Would love to see it come into fruition, right? I will be going short on the Nasdaq. I will be selling Nasdaq shorts. Okay, I'm short Nasdaq over here. I'm in Nasdaq shorts. Dow Jones, one of our Dow Jones positions are about to get stopped out. Not yet. Damn, I'm happy that I moved that stop loss to that point. That was a good stop loss. That was a really good stop loss. Let's see if they're going to make it. I'll have that stop loss around 650. So that's my stop loss on the Nasdaq. Dow Jones is struggling. I can't make them make a move, right? I cannot do shit about it. I could close my positions in the profit, right? Like, I don't see Dow Jones moving. Now, looking at the price action of 15-minute, doesn't look good, right? We don't know what's gonna happen, but 1 minute, 1 minute and 15-minute are not looking that good. They're not looking that good. I think we are about to get stopped out of this position, right? Which is okay. We have two more. Yeah, stopped out. Today's not that day. Today's not that day. It would be crazy to buy Dow Jones over here, wouldn't it? It would be really fucking crazy. Fuck, I missed it. Fuck. I'm gonna take a 50. Nah. Nah, I'm not. I was about to take 50 pounds a point position in a Dow Jones to go long over here. But I'm not gonna do that. But it was really fucking tempting because probability of it bouncing from this point is really high. And we did get a bounce, like small one, right? Still probability is really fucking high. And it's so fucking tempting to do it. You might ask why I'm not doing it. Because 50 contracts is a big sum of money. Of course I could have opened it with a smaller one, but whatever. So Dow Jones bounced from that point, right? We didn't make any money today. Today was a losing day. Am I pissed by not taking that 50 contract position on the Dow Jones? No, I'm not. Did I want it to? Of course I wanted to. Why I didn't do it? Because that would be revenge trading in a way. I don't want to do that. Yeah, probability was high. Yeah, the setup was valid, but I had to sit it out, and now I have to watch it go without me. That's kind of punishment for myself in a way, right? And then I'm gonna not punish, but congratulate myself by following the rules, right? By sticking to my punishment in a way, right? That I have to congratulate myself, right? uh, Look at that footsie. Pretty disappointing day. say the least. Pretty disappointing day. I think I'm gonna leave these positions. I'm gonna let them run. We'll see what's gonna happen. Right. If this Dow can move, happy days. But when I say make a move, I mean up to 42,500. Right, that's a move. I'll update you on Discord what I'm gonna do with these positions. I think that's me done. Right. So I'll have a EU session tomorrow. Like Dow Jones. Nasdaq is in the range, right? And Dow Jones might make a move to the upside. I think that's me done. Take care. That was an interesting session, right? That was an interesting session. We could have made money today. We could have. We chose not to. Chose to risk it. And that's okay. It didn't work this time. But when it works, right? Yeah, that's me done. I'm gonna stop recording and streaming right now. I'll update you on my positions on the Discord. Peace out. Take care. That's me done. Let's hope this Dow Jones is gonna make a move, right? Okay. So, peace out.